Hello, everybody. It's the first time I'm out, and today I'm gonna share some tips with you. Basically, today's show is called Saturday Tech Night. So we are aiming to pick any technology we never used before and try to figure out with it uh, within one sitting. So let's get started and see how it goes. Today we're gonna speak about the theme called bootstrapping of your project. So basically I have a repository with my own project, which allows you to create some modules. So I want to create one theme which simplify the process of creation of new projects, new packages inside one project. So let's have a look on the structure first. So here's not the one. Let's see on the structure of this project. So what do we have in here? We have folder packages, which contains all our packages located in one repo. So we also have some implementation of similar packages like Tracer, GoGRPC, and some services, gRPC services, which is a currency converter and PCB provider. We also have here a boilerplate. So boilerplate is intended to be a template theme, which we're going to use for creation new common packages under this folder with a simple click command. So let's see how we can achieve this in in some simple steps. So today the easiest way to speak about one library, I picked it almost randomly. I looked on another options. So basically another option to use a create app, which is a standard theme for Yarn and NPM as well. But I didn't find a lot of things which allows you to customize this flow. And finally I found this tool called Hygen. Don't know how to pronounce it correctly, which basically should help us to generate everything. So let's get started. Let's install it. So we use Yarn, so we're gonna use it with Yarn here. Let me share my screen, another screen. Here's one. Yeah. Well, let's go with Yarn and Hygen. This command with and dependency to let's say, where are we? Yeah, that's correct. So we want to add this dependency. So we're gonna add the flag ignore workspace root. As for now, I'm using a workspace, Yarn workspaces within this project, which allows me to manage all these packages under one repo. So while it's installing, we're going to have another look into the documentation. And where is it? Okay, it's here. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna create a generator. Generator has an action. Okay. Yeah, mailer and you as an example. Okay, how I could create a generator. So first of all, I need to do Hygen init self to prepare everything for generators. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this and see how it works. It's going to run, not really. So I need to do this yarn init self. Okay, so I see some stuff created. Yarn Hygen. What it does? Nothing. It says, okay, I can available actions, help. Okay, let's try to help. Please help me, Hygen. An action for help. Okay, what action I could help? Help something. Okay, error. I can't find action something for generator help. You can try. Generator new name help. Build new generator you wanted. Interesting. I'm still on the page of, create a new generator, which is still not really obvious for me. So let's try to have another look into the documentation. Generative help. Okay. Help new. Loaded templates. Bootstrapping your project. Okay, this is just installation of an example, I think. So we done in itself. We need to create a new generator. Let's call it common, because our package is called common. So new common and C. Okay, we need to add yarn. Okay, we added common new hello. Oh, okay. New common new hello. 2. Oh, this is a path, I guess. Yeah, this is a theme which should be added into this path. So what gonna be if I just type yarn Hygen new common? Is it how it's supposed to work? What it says? Can't find action common for generating new. Why? Just created. Okay, let's just go back to documentation and see. Have another look. Okay, I missed the order, so it should be common U, not U common. Okay, let's probably try. Where are we going to try? In our code browser. Right, VS Code. So, not U common, but common U. Okay, wow, so easy. So we created hello.js, hello, need some stuff here. Okay, so what's going to be next? This is a strange format like camel shown here, and rect. I have no idea what is that. Okay, let's remove it. Delete. Yeah. Okay, now we have this boilerplate folder, which we actually want to use here. So let's just do that. Come on. Let's just copy everything, right? What could be wrong? Without readme, actually, just this and this and this. I think that's gonna be that. That's passed here. Just to check if you see my screen. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's go ahead. So here we have a TS, and here we have like some strange file. Let's just copy it. And okay, so here we just insert it. Okay, it says like, what the hell are you doing? It's not TypeScript. You need to do something. Okay then, yeah, let's do this like GS factor. How to rename it here? Okay, rename. Is it going to work like that? Huh, nice. Gotcha. Here we also need to change to where. Come on. Let's say new src. Let's folder src. Okay. New index ts as a TypeScript. And the file is gonna be just empty. Okay. And what's going to be in here? Package is on. Okay, let's call it view. Version, everything is here. Okay, good. And we also rename it to b.t. Also need to copy this placeholder, add it here. Seems easy. The same here, refactor, rename, .t, and that's it. Well, that's it. tsconfig JSON. Not in src, just in here. And here we also need to amend it like package JSON. Okay, so what's next? Let's try to, okay, we have a template for our new common package. This is another generator, but we don't care about it. Yeah, let's just try to use the same command. Hygen command new. It says some files are created. Unfortunately, one file got created in the hello. Oh, because we haven't removed it. Yeah, okay. We still have this file, which is basically was generated automatically before. We remove it, delete. So we have, okay, let's try one more time. Just to have a clear picture of everything. Refresh, come on, src. Oh, wait a second, I actually missed the path. So it should be packages slash common slash new, right? Okay, let's fix this. Oh, we gonna fix all the paths. It should be packages. Here as well it should be packages, and here as well it should be packages. Right? Let's try one more time. Yeah, it's created in here. Wait a second. Where is everything? I see only tsconfig. Where is the rest? It's still added here. Why? Don't understand. Let's just okay, let's try one more time. Did I miss something? Let's have another look. Packages, okay. Maybe it was unsaved. File. Packages common. Looks fine. Looks fine. Looks fine. Let's try one more time. Okay, yeah, it's probably some of the files were not saved properly. So we have everything in place and seems to be okay. But yeah, the thing I wanted to actually to be able to configure is the name of the package. Like I want to know what will be the name, the name of the new package, not just new. I need to specify it somehow. Is it a way to do that? Let's try to have another look on documentation again. Oh, okay, and let's use it. We already tried that. And look in generators. Yeah. Generator with prompt. The same as before, only this one will be prompt driven. Let's try this one. No idea what's gonna be that. Let's try to have this thing called with prompt new common one. Let's have it common one, so we don't override it. Okay, not found. Let's add yarn at the beginning, and it's gonna work. And we need left hand side expression in prefix operation. If we're gonna try this prompt, left side expression. This is quite strange. Okay, let's try to have another look into the documentation and probably figure out what's going on wrong. Okay, shared repo still new project. We can generate a new image. We have this done. Did you notice instead of the generator, you comment copy it to local templates folder. Next up, the templates and generators. Working generators. Okay, let's have a deeper look into the generators first. With Hygen, every time you spot a repetitive task or a hidden structure in files you didn't look at, make a new generator. Okay, we are aiming to make a new generator. Name. This is what we need, just a name you pick. Templates. I need to pass actually variables somehow. The moment we add generator under templates, hello. Okay, structure. So yeah, the main thing, all the files should have an extension .t. So templater understand it. Structure, okay, this is some particular structure, we don't care about it. Really, we built in our own thing. Okay, I think this is a way to pass the parameters inside the generator. Right, I think so. Any double dash argument becomes a variable, so we can use later in our templates. In the example above, we can use name and message and version. This is exactly what we need. Okay, great. Let's use name. Cool. Interactive prompt. Here's another thing. Interactive prompt. To create an interactive prompt, add prompt.js file to generate a root directory. Your prompt.js file. Okay, let's add prompt.js file. What it should have. For example, to ask for message input variable. Seems easy. Okay, prompt.js. The format is based on an query. Let's use message variable now. Easy. Guys, it's gonna be exploding thing. Okay, let me change my screen to the VS Code and start typing. Okay. So we need to create here now a new folder. We're going to create a new file, prompt.js. Okay. This file will export this structure. Is it correct right now? So I'm going to type in module. What it doesn't like about it. Module, okay. So it should be input name. What's the name of the common library. What's the name of the common library? What's the name of the common library? Okay, yeah. And now let's use this name in here, just like that. Where is it? It's here, name, as well as here name, and it was here, and also here in the tsconfig, because we want to all these files to appear on some new folder. Okay, that's good. Good. Hygen, common new, try. What's the name of the common library? I would say it's gonna be logger. Okay, I'm again forgot to save some files, I guess. Why this VS Code don't after save all the files automatically? Okay, let's remove it one more time and try one more time. Logger. Okay, everything created on the logger folder. That's great. Okay, we just created a bootstrapping tool. All the files seems to be good. Nothing is missing, so it's just like it works as expected. Amazing. Let's see what else we can do with this Hygen. Let's start exploring the documentation. Okay, here is another thing, advanced interactive prompt. Multi-step prompt, where you ask some questions, run some computation, and ask some more questions. In addition, it's possible to skip prompting or reshape parameters. Sounds interesting. Okay, what it's going to be? Okay, it appears some index.js. Okay, so just replace in the prompt.js with index.js. And what's next? Index.js to build two-step prompting flow. Exporting an array of question types. Start pair prompt. The prompt function gets a data structure with a prompter. Return prompter prompt. We can just put some conditions in there inside, but for me it's not really a case, but let's try anyway. Let's try and prompter and fox. Let's try this example. And okay, let's try. So first of all, we need to replace this prompt.js with the index.js, right? I'm just gonna rename it index.js, and we're gonna have it like this. Module, experts, prompter, okay, email, not. We're gonna ask first of all the same. What's the name of your library? Name. And second of all, we ask name. We ask after. Here's another thing. Yeah. Who is the after? And after of main library. Okay, seems easy. But instead, we also can here then in package.json we can actually add a section. No, how to call it? How to call this section? Let's see here. It's gonna be after. Okay, it's gonna be like that. And we're going to add it here and here, and to have this name like this. Okay, after, we just added after here. Okay, let's try removing these. And by the way, a good question, what's gonna happen if we don't remove these? We just try to regenerate it one more time. Will it break everything or not? Let's try. Come on, you. What's the name of the library? Logger. Please define an after Logger library. Andrew, red. Generated. Okay, let's go and see. Huh. Unnamed. That's interesting. So I defined the name. I also defined after, and it just gave me this for some reason. Let's go back to the documentations and see if we could understand why. So we prompter prompt wait, what's the first variable called name in this file? Yeah, it's called name. Interesting. Prompt name. And a username then. But for some reason it's not, it didn't work. It didn't work then in the files. Oh, let's try one more time and see if the after is saved as well or not. We didn't check that. Logger, Andrew, red, unnamed. Okay. What about after? After is here. That's interesting. What if I try to use here instead of not here, but here? Instead of name, I will use after. On the text, what to use? Name, after. Okay, let's see if it changed something. Logger, Andrew, red. Yeah, actually, task here. If you're trying to redefine a task here, do you want to? Yeah, here actually you see. So name didn't work. After worked. Interesting. Interesting. Let's remove it. Trash. So why the second bit worked? Why we couldn't just do this? Or we could. Maybe it should do like this. Return prompter. Oh, it already returns. Yeah, it already returns. Yeah, correct. Everything is returned. What's going to be if I do like this? Just remove these. Have it like that. Prompter after. Okay. But here we couldn't use name in this case. Name. Please define after the library. That's fine. Trying. It doesn't work. Prompt is not a function. Okay, prompt isn't a function. It's a promise. Okay, makes sense. Let's return everything back. So strange thing, really strange. Logger, Andrew, still create unnamed. Let's go back to our documentation and see. Let's see more advanced version, advanced prompt documentation improvements. Oh my gosh. Question. Okay, questions. Okay, I have questions. Where it's going to be used. Inquire. Define questions in a range where all questions are asked before next prompt is executed. So inquire, prompt, questions, then answers. What? It's really super advanced version. Everything is lagging like that. Okay, name test. Here's an example. Package name. What is this? Okay, now never mind, it's too much complicated. Our Helmed example. Let's just go back and see what we can find here. Generators. Been there? Yeah, I think we've been there. Documenting your generators. Why do we need to document our generators? Good question. Let's try to, in our code, let's try to go back. To the previous version. If this one doesn't really work, we try to do this. This. We don't have name of the library. Here for sure we need to change the quotes type. And what's next? Rename it to prompt.js. Prompt.js. And let's try one more final time. Remove this outdated files as well. Okay, logger, Andrew. Okay, now it works. Still create Andrew because I haven't changed this back. Let's fix it fast. So we have not here, not here, here, here. Need to change it to name and try one more time just to make sure. Logger, Andrew. Okay, it's created. And after essential. Okay. Everything is good. Let's try to have another look. What else do they have in their documentation? To documenting your generators. Special message prop. You can use in any template. You can use it in a build generator help screens. Message. So what we could do, we could add, yeah, we could, wait, layout from before, we added a help action, okay. Just a message prop. Let's try to add index.js.t. A special notation like that is a YAML literal block. Okay. Now, chalk is used in here, so we can, beautifully illustrate our action in our generator. Let's try to do this fast and see if it works. So we need to add here a file called index js.t. We're also gonna add this Hygen, yeah, Hygen, failure, new name. Okay, let's try. Now, okay. It's going to be generated, I think. If we just have a common help instead of view. Let's try to create it like manually in view folder, not here, new folder, help, and move the file here, move. Now let's try common help. I need common help. Okay, it's just showed me the this documentation. So that's fine. So I think that's it. Today we tried and successfully picked one new theme, which is Hygen. Never tried it before, and now we have a working example of creation of our new stuff. So let's finish for today. Thank you for joining. It's been a pleasure, and see you on the next episode. Bye bye.